Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best baby car seats that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number one product name is Perego Viaggio Booster Car Seat. Perego Viaggio Flex 120 Booster Seat is designed to support children weighing from 40 pounds to 120 pounds. This travel-friendly option includes foldable features that make it easier to carry or store when not in use. Manufactured in Italy, this car seat combines safety and comfort with a thoughtful build for everyday use on long or short drives. The model uses a foam base paired with energy-absorbing expanded polystyrene in both the headrest and the wings. These elements help redirect external forces and provide added protection for the child's head and torso during an accident. The seat is equipped with kinetic pods that guide energy away in case of a side impact. Built with an aluminum-reinforced backrest, this booster aims to reduce stress on the neck during collisions from the front or rear. It supports the child's body in multiple ways as they grow by adjusting the headrest, upper section, side area, and bottom part separately. These 4 independent movements allow a better fit for children with different body types. Installation can be done using the integrated rigid latch or a standard seat belt, giving users 2 ways to secure it inside a vehicle. When not in use, the booster can be folded down without removing it from the car. This feature saves space while keeping the product ready for future rides. 2 cup holders also fold neatly into the base, offering simple access while maintaining a clean design. In our list, the number 2 product name is Chicco Fit 360 ClearTex Rotating Car Seat. Chicco Fit 360 ClearTex Rotating Convertible Car Seat is made to support infants from 4 pounds to older children weighing up to 65 pounds. The rotation design allows face-to-face positioning for placing and removing a child more comfortably. The seat can be used both rear-facing and forward-facing, depending on the age and size of the child. A built-in system known as lever lock helps secure the seat using the vehicle's belt with reduced effort. The shell structure includes strong materials like alloy steel, along with soft polyester and plastic, ensuring a blend of strength and comfort. Open areas on the seat allow better airflow to help keep the child cooler during longer drives. For added comfort, this model includes 2 removable cup holders that are safe for dishwashing, and machine-washable fabric helps maintain cleanliness. The foam lining inside the seat helps absorb energy, giving a protective experience for the head and upper body. The headrest moves through 15 positions and adjusts with the harness to match the child's size as they grow. A colored system shows whether the seat is positioned correctly inside the car, making installation easier to verify. The entire setup includes ClearTex materials without added chemicals and meets GreenGuard Gold certification for reduced emissions. This helps maintain healthier air quality near the child. Designed for daily use, the car seat gives caregivers a rotating function, flexible fit, and support for growing children during all stages of travel. In our list, the number 3 product name is Chicco KeyFit 35 ClearTex Infant Car Seat. Chicco KeyFit 35 ClearTex Infant Car Seat is made for babies weighing between 4 to 35 pounds. It is built to support early development while offering rear-facing positioning with extended leg space. The material used includes polyester, plastic, and metal, ensuring both softness and strength. The design matches most Chicco strollers, making movement between car and stroller easier for daily travel. The seat structure includes a carrier lined with energy-absorbing foam to manage external force better. Its base works with various installation methods, offering flexibility depending on the vehicle. A unique leveling foot and built-in indicators help users align the seat correctly. The support system adjusts to fit newborns and then moves as the child grows, allowing longer usage within the same product. This item uses ClearTex fabric without added chemicals and meets air safety standards by limiting emissions. The breathable structure focuses on comfort while maintaining health standards around infants. A secure lock system and enhanced bar improve balance and resistance to sudden movements while offering more leg space. The removable newborn insert gives the smallest babies extra comfort during their first months. As the child grows, the headrest moves with the harness to match their height, supporting extended rear-facing use up to 32 inches tall. The seat clicks easily into the stay-in-car base and fits other compatible Chicco travel gear. Designed to offer security, fit, and smooth transitions, this model aims to help caregivers travel confidently with their baby from the earliest stages. In our list, the number 4 product name is Evenflo LiteMax DLX Infant Car Seat. Evenflo LiteMax Deluxe Infant Car Seat is made to carry newborns with care while offering support for safe travel. It is shaped for rear-facing use and works for babies between 4 pounds and 35 pounds. The cooling mesh fabric in the seat helps manage heat, so the baby remains dry during long rides. The surface material allows air to move freely, making it more pleasant on warmer days. The setup works with both seatbelt and latch systems, giving flexibility when fitting it inside different vehicles. The design includes a simple harness that slides smoothly to adjust as the baby grows, helping reduce the time spent on readjustment. Its strong base structure lowers movement during sudden stops or forceful turns, which increases control during travel. The frame has been examined under strict guidelines to confirm strength and performance. Evenflo uses standards that go beyond regular checks, testing rollover safety and reaction to heat. A certified team is also available through live video to guide users with the installation process, making it easier for new parents to feel secure about placement. The handle is shaped to reduce strain when lifting or carrying the seat from one location to another. This brand has worked in baby product development for over 100 years and continues to improve items by focusing on safety, ease, and modern solutions. This car seat is part of that legacy, offering stability without adding weight or complexity to daily use. In our list, the number 5 product name is Britax 1 for Life Convertible Car Seat. Britax 1 for Life Convertible Car Seat is built to support children from 5 pounds to 120 pounds in one single design. This car seat moves through different stages, starting as a rear-facing option for infants and later changing into a forward-facing setup with a harness and high back booster for older children. Its wide range of adjustment makes it suitable for long-term use. The product includes a strong build with a steel base and foam-lined interior meant to manage crash energy. Its frame works with a crumple zone system that helps lower the effects of sudden stops. The added tether, shaped in a V-style, increases security by reducing forward motion. The seat provides a good fit for the child through a headrest and harness that shift together as one unit. Airflow is supported by a mesh fabric that helps reduce heat, while the seat's cover is machine washable and uses fabric without added flame resistance chemicals. Cup holders on both sides are twistable and can be placed in the dishwasher when needed. Level indicators help users find the right seat angle for their specific car type. The seat belt system can be installed using a simple method that does not need added force. Its backrest can tilt in 9 different ways, making travel more relaxing for the child. The lack of extra straps to rethread as the child grows means this seat saves time and lowers chances of mistakes.